Y'all, clearly I love C by Giorgio Armani. Okay? It is down bad, girl. I have gone through it like, is there anything left in there? I don't know. But then I was looking through my dossier fragrances and realized I did have their scent Woody Fresia, which is inspired by Giorgio Armani's C. But baby, this has obviously been one of my favorite fragrances. Okay, it's time to re-up. Hey, Dossier, if y'all are watching this, baby, send me another one of these. Okay, okay. That's what I'm talking about.
Through the dark and bright, it's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I make. Oh, it's just another day.
Oh, man, what a day, what a day. Y'all, it's been crazy today. It's been crazy today. Um, just now trying to get Royal in the bed. This, I have not vlogged all day long. And it is currently, I don't even know what time it is. It's a quarter to 10, baby. It's a quarter to 10. I don't know what it is about little ones and brushing their teeth. Unless they have the cutesy toothpaste, they just don't want to brush their teeth. But y'all, luckily, I was sent this toothpaste right here. And oh my goodness, it has been the go-to as far as getting her to brush her teeth. I am so happy they sent this over. This is the LOL Kids toothpaste. It's fluoride-free nano hydroxyapatite, and it has probiotics and vitamins in it. And it's also safe for them to swallow. Y'all know how it is. Now, I don't know about your house, but brushing teeth around here with my granddaughter, oh my goodness, it can sometimes feel like a wrestling match. But this strawberry flavored toothpaste right here, oh, it makes brushing fun. She loves it. I'm talking about a foaming taste experience that she loves and actually looks forward to. And I love that it's packed with probiotics, which makes me feel good knowing it's supporting healthy gums. And let's be real, it polishes teeth gently, removes everyday plaque, and has a light natural whitening effect. No harsh chemicals, no SLS. It's safe if your little one gets a little adventurous and swallows some. It's made just for kids, but even I like using it. Parents, I know we're always looking for safe, fun, and effective products. LOL toothpaste checks all those boxes, and that green mark certification on it gives me peace of mind that it's made from natural ingredients. Whether you're switching from other kids' toothpaste or just looking for something new and safe, this one is a win-win in our house. And really overall, I haven't done a whole lot open a couple of packages. I did get some new phone cases. Let me show that to y'all. These are so cute. These are so freaking cute, y'all. Look at the cherry. Oh, the cherries are on the phone case. So cute. And again, don't talk about me. iPhone 13 Pro Max is where I'm at. So look, mind your business. Okay? Don't come for me. I can't afford to get a new phone right now, baby. But look, these are so cute. Yes. Now let me tell y'all something. When I first pulled this phone case out the package, I said, oh, this is too cute. I mean, come on now. A pink case with little cherries and bows on it. Yes, that right there is a whole vibe. I don't care if you're young, grown, or just young at heart. This case is gonna have people asking, where'd you get that from? Now here's the thing. I done had plenty of phone cases that claim they're slim and protective. But baby, they either too bulky or they crack after one drop. Not this one. The nitty top case is made of soft, flexible TPU, thin, lightweight, and still gives full protection. You can just slide it right in your pocket or bag without feeling like you're carrying around a brick. And the smooth design, woo, it feels good in your hands. No rough edges, no slipping around. Let me break it down. Your camera and screen protected. The raised edges keep it lifted off flat surfaces, so you ain't got to worry about scratches and cracks every time you set it down. And the cutout, perfect. You don't have to wrestle with the charger or speaker holes. It's all precise and right where it should be. Now, if you like your phone to look as good as you do, this case will handle that for you. Cute pattern, stylish design, lightweight comfort, and real protection all in one. That's the problem it solves. You ain't got to choose between fashion and function. With this case, you got both. And that's what I call a win-win. It's on Amazon, baby. I got my link below. Y'all know how I do it. I see you, nitty top, nitty top. But for the most part, I'm just going to sit here and enjoy the rest of my evening for the most part. I got up and got busy this morning. I was doing all kind of stuff, laundry and all this, because y'all, my daughter said she was coming to town. Miss Maddie, yeah, she said she was coming through. She was going to hang out with her little one. She was going to hang out with her little one and me, take me out to dinner. And I was looking forward to that today. I really was. Y'all, I'm addicted. Y'all know the original lemon drops. These are the bootleg lemon drops, but I love them. But I was doing all that work. I was doing all that work for nothing. She said she was too tired. I think she was going to rent a car, and she canceled her reservation until tomorrow morning. So anyway, it is what it is. We just don't be on everybody else's time. I was really looking forward to seeing my girl, hanging out with her. But she'll be here. So y'all call her. Tell her what's up, girl. How come you don't talk to us no more? Anywho, I'm going to let y'all go because I ain't talking about nothing. Not today, but I will hit y'all up. I'm going to make sure she get on this camera with me when she shows up, because see, she be neglecting all of us. I was enjoying her content. What she do? Bailed out on us. Her hours are just so long and crazy that, honey, what can we do? Don't beat her up. Don't beat her up. That's my baby. But anywho, I'm done. I see Royal on the camera. She's sitting on the bed. She ain't sleep. So we got to put her to sleep. I mean, I don't know if there's a way to do that, but we're going to try, because I got to get some rest tonight. Because tomorrow, is a rehearsal day. And I know I got to have my energy right. I got to be in focus. I got some things I need to do. I need to fix my printer, which is the other thing I'm getting ready to do right now. My printer is jammed and has been for weeks now. Excuse me smacking y'all. These lemon drops are so good. But, yeah, I'm going to get that done. Try to, at least. But cupcakes, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love I love it. But I'm going to get that done. And I'm going to see y'all tomorrow, right? Yeah? Yeah? You going to be here? Okay. I'll call you then. I promise. I got a new phone case, so I'm going to call you. For real. Bye, y'all.
But I'm grateful.